I'm gonna show you how to make tropical shrimp ceviche. Even when ceviche is a big part of the coastal dishes in Mexico, it's not from there. The origin is Peru, and this dish is tender fish cooked in citric juices like lime, lemon, or bitter orange, and seasoned with ají or other peppers. This is a fusion of ceviche recipes from different countries.
This is a pound of shrimp. Cut the shrimp in little pieces. Add 1 cup of fresh lime juice. Oh, excuse me. So now you don't see it? Okay, thank you. That sounds funny. That sounds like shrimp and lime juice. Just make sure every single piece of shrimp is covered in the lime juice. You need to let the shrimp cook in the lime juice. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then... I'm using... We're using eneldo. And I'm using mini cucumber. Chop it. Stay there. The shrimp is already cooked. You can see it's already white. Now add a juice of 1 orange. One cup of red onion, chopped in small pieces. 1/3 cup of red bell pepper. 1 cup of fresh pineapple. 1 cup of fresh mango. 1 cup of cucumber. ¿Cuánto era?
Cilantro.
Mucho cilantro.
Y poquito cilantro.
And cilantro. 1 cup. I didn't have enough, so you can put more. Put more, okay? Cilantro. Add 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed. Season with salt. Season with salt and black pepper. Add jalapeño, depending how spicy you want it. I'm using saltine crackers. But you can always eat it with tortilla chips or tostadas. Hey, really good.